Hey guys, I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Per. So guys, as you all can see by the title, we're going to be doing our 2021 makeup routine. So these are things I implemented, new stuff, new year, new face, new beat, because I'm tired of seeing them things, yeah. So I'm doing another one. So this is like the updated one for the one I did last year. I would have bag a long talking, but also get into them things, no bag a lip, no lapping. So if you want to see how I do it, keep on watching. Like I'm be a DJ. So guys, the first thing we're going into is our foundation. So just to go spray my sponge a little bit. And the foundation I'm gonna be using is just the Fit Me foundation in the shade 360. Guys, I don't know how much time I'm gonna stress this. Flawless foundation base or makeup base comes from Flawless Skin. When I say Flawless Skin, I don't mean acne free, because I have acne, but I mean like you do the steps before you do your face. So cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, makeup. That's it. If you don't do that, I don't know how you expect your makeup for to sit on for your face like that. I'm like, you're not taking care of your skin, girl. I understand. So I already did all of those stuff and I'm already moisturized, and I used a moisturizer that's tacky, so you know when you hold your face you feel like it's sticky little. That holds the foundation in place. It holds the makeup overall. So guys, we're moving into highlighting. Highlighting now, for me, no more than 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. If you are a person that over highlights, then I guess you're a person that knows how to blend out. This video is a beginner friendly video, so I want to be as detailed as possible because I am teaching you guys. So your concealer now, I've done this technique before in my latest makeup video, but I did not tell you guys why I did this step. So highlighting now. Okay, I'm gonna get a closer mirror because that did too far. So highlighting now, we're gonna put it right here. When I just started makeup, I usually do the V, this big old V, but I noticed that actually gives your face the illusion that it's longer, and we don't want our face to look longer. We're doing makeup to enhance the face, so we're gonna be keeping the concealer right up under the eyes, and we're not gonna drag it any further than this, because when you do blend it out, some is gonna be transferred below or lower or whatever. You're gonna put the concealer right here and you're gonna drag it up. So right here, then drag it up. This technique actually lifts your face or makes your face look more tighter and more upwards. So that's why we put it right there and then drag it up, and we're gonna blend it up as well. We're just gonna allow this to dry down a little, like for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll go into blend. So we'll just wait, then we'll blend out. Okay, so we're going in to blend out the concealer now. You want to start by blending the edge, then you work your way inwards. You want to look up and get under your eye, especially if you have baggy eyes. You want to look up to get everything. All right, for this now, guys, you're just gonna continue blending up, and you're not gonna drag it all the way out to your hairline because that actually makes your face look wider. You want to just keep it at a minimal and stop it about right here and just blend it out. You guys actually when I actually see the difference from before and now, like my face looks lifted. It looks like it's, you know. So guys, now we're going in to set. I'm using my Sasha Buttercup, and this is a key reason why you indeed want to use a hydrating primer, because all these powders you're using on your face will dry your face out, so you want to use a hydrating primer. Oh Jesus. Going into set, just tapping off the excess powder and just place that underneath your eyes, and you're pushing it into your skin, guys. Especially if you're a person that don't like baking like myself, I just really push that into my skin just to properly set my under eye. So guys, we're moving into contouring. Now, if you're a person that likes the more snatched look, or you want to look like you lose some weight off your face, then I'm going to teach you guys how to properly contour, because you do have some contouring techniques that can make your face look wider, and we don't want that. So I'm going to teach you guys how to properly contour your face and where to place your contour. You're going to place your contour upwards. So you're going to start, you can even go like this to get your contour line, but I have natural contour line, so I know where to place it. You're gonna flick your contour up like that. You cannot put it down because that's gonna make your face look wider, and basically you're defeating the purpose of contouring your face. So flick your contour up and in, up and in, because that's gonna give the illusion that your face is slimmer than it is. I'm just gonna go around your hairline. And guys, don't be afraid to actually get makeup in your hairline. Don't be afraid. Just know that when you're taking off your makeup, you properly clean your hairline well to avoid breaking out and stuff. You can do your chin like this right here. Just gives your face a more sculpted look, and you can go down here just a little, right? And your nose now, you just take it into your eyebrow and go down your nose. And you're gonna do the same for the other side. Like that. Guys, for the contour, you just go straight in and blend. We don't wait for the contour to dry down or sit or anything. You just go in and blend out. When I can find my sponge. Can you guys see the difference how my face is now inwards? Because I do have a round face, which I do like my round face, but I'm just for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you guys how to properly contour. Then we're just gonna blend out our nose. It's the same step. Guys, this is not a step that I usually do, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be allowing you guys to be extra snatched. You're just gonna go in with that setting powder, and you're gonna go directly under that line that you created, under your contour line, and just drag it down. You're gonna just go in and tap over that now, just to diffuse it. Now we're going into bronzing. The bronzer kind of acts like a powder to set the cream contour, because creams crease as I hear it. So I want to go in and set the contour, and I'm using my True Complexion black True Complexion, or the Black Radiance palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade to bronze my face. Don't forget the nose, because we did apply cream contour to the nose. And it's the same thing with the powder. Just go in, blend it up into your brow. I do have a nose that's on the bigger side, so I really want to contour that. Don't get me wrong, I love my big nose. I got to accept it. So don't get me wrong, but we're just looking snatched, so we're just doing everything. And we're just going in. And remember guys, blend that up in your brow bone. You can even turn it into an eyeshadow, you know? Yeah. Yeah guys, it can even act as an eyeshadow. Look there. Come look like my do look eye look down. So for blush now guys, we're gonna mix our blush in with our contour or the bronze. So you're gonna just blend the blush in with the contour, and you put that up. This also makes your face looks more lifted than when you just put the blush right here. Because after blush, I'm like basically done with my face. All I go in now is to set. This part is all about preference. Some persons do their whole face with highlighting, as in adding glow before they set, but I realize when I set and that wet tacky face, my highlighter actually sits better. So it's just my preference, and I just go in and set my face, and then I wait for it to dry a little, then I use my sponge to push it into my face. I just let the rest basically dry down by itself. In the meantime, I would put on some mascara to get my lashes ready for the false lashes. Just go into highlight after. Highlighting is basically how you want to do it, to be honest. I love to go like this and get the fat look part, listen. And I put it on and I blend it up. I like when my highlight looks more like from within than just one big patch, one strike a line in just the your face. So I blend it out, and if I feel like it's too harsh, I will go over my highlight with my sponge. The nose, I like to take a smaller brush and just put it right there and blend it out. And then I put some right in the center. I don't drag it down to my nose, guys. That I like 2016, that don't know. Come on. I'll just put it right here and right here and just blend over it. Guys, I'm gonna apply my lashes and do my lips off camera and then come back. So guys, this is the finished look. For the lip routine, I don't know if you want to know what I did, but I used just a normal eyebrow pencil and I just put any clear gloss over it. So that's how I achieved this look. So as you guys can see, the lashes really brought the look together. Yeah, I really like how my face is looking. It's really serving flawless, like blended. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys learned something from this video, definitely let me know. Make sure that you guys like the video. If you're not subscribed as yet, do subscribe, because like, why you not subscribed as yet? Like, my have a ton of say it free. This subscription is not one that you pay for. All you do is click the button and click the bell so that you get notified when I post another video. Right, make sure to share the video with your friends, family, aunts, niece, your mate, your ex, your enemy, because like them need to get them face together at 2021 now. So that's enough of me talking right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye babies.
Darkskin is still alive.